Jane's how to.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Today we're making ice cream Play-Doh. Before you do it, wash your hands. We will need, if you want, you could use sprinkles. If you want, you don't
Or
have to.
chips.
And 3/4 cup of cornstarch and 1 cup of pre-made frosting. So now let's start. So I'm gonna put the frosting first.
Okay, put it.
This is not working. Wait, okay. Let's see if this can work. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Now we will put cornstarch.
Here we go. Good job, Jacob. Oh, I'm good with that. Stir. Oh no. Oh my god. Okay. Well, it's not taking a lot.
Oh, it's dirty a lot. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so now we're gonna add the sprinkles. I got the sprinkles from my best friend's birthday. So now let's put a little. Just do it like this. Now it's done.
Now it's done.
So we made it like an ice cream, and I hope you make one at home.
Make one at home. How about we try these? Can I play now? Mommy.
That one came out perfect.